Hey everyone! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to be filming another video. Look, my pink lips. Oh my gosh, I love them so much. But I was trying to think about what to do it on, and I was really trying to think, oh, what do I like look up a lot or research? And it's usually like reviews. And do y'all look up reviews on like what kind of concealer is better, this, that, and the other? Well, mostly you'll go to YouTube and watch a video, and you just don't know with YouTube because they might be getting paid to like tell you those things. So we know I'm not. And so I thought that it would be fun to do a little video on a concealer review, because you know I'm a MAC girl. I love my MAC. I am not saying like anything negative about this because this is a MAC related item. I'm still going to use this product in my kit, in my personal stash, but if you're looking for a dupe that is like less than half the cost, that's what I'm going to show you. I'm going to be using my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer, and then the dupe is the LA Girl Concealer. You might have it, you might not. There's not many places around town that you can get it. You might have to look it up and see who sells it, but MAC Pro Longwear 24, I believe. This is like $3, $4, seriously, and I'm not kidding. It is so good. So I thought about doing just like one side of my face with my MAC Pro Longwear, and then the other side with the LA Girl, and letting you see for yourself and see if it's a dupe or not to you. I think it is. I think it's a great concealer. I use it, but this is not meaning that I don't love my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. It is my favorite. I'm just like gonna show an alternative if you don't want to spend, if you don't have $30 to spend on a concealer. Makeup's expensive. I get it. So that's what I wanted to do it on, and so I've already got my face prepped with MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation in NW15. I have my eyebrows filled in a little bit, and just a little bit of lashes and mascara and lipstick. Nothing much. So I haven't done anything else to my face because I've been waiting to do this part so I can do it on camera and show you. Okay, so, oh my gosh, excuse me. So on this side, I'm going to put on my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. And you'll have to excuse me because I'm kind of looking into my phone and applying this. I'm going to do this side MAC Pro Longwear Concealer, and then the other side the LA Girl Pro Conceal. But I'm going to go ahead and pat this side out, because if you let the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer sit too long, it like makes it more difficult to blend. So as soon as you put it on, like, I would suggest going ahead and like buffing it out as soon as possible. But I'm using the Morphe blender that I got online, another dupe. Actually, this is better than the Beauty Blender. I'm not even kidding. I love the Morphe blender so much, and it's only $7 versus $20 for the Real Beauty Blender. I just feel like the Real Beauty Blender kind of just diffuses it so much, and that's not a bad thing, don't get me wrong, but I feel like you save more product with this. And pretty much just where you put the product and where you pat it in, it stays, and it just doesn't absorb all the product. Like I don't know, I just felt the Beauty Blender did, and I love the Beauty Blender, don't get me wrong, but I just feel like this one does a little bit better. Okay, so right now, MAC Pro Longwear LA Girl. I don't think this is quite my shade. We'll see. Not really, but it'll work. This is in shade Light Ivory, so okay then. It was good, but I didn't realize. So if you're really fair, might be something to take into consideration. Okay, so far I have both sides blended out. LA Pro Girl Concealer on this side, MAC Pro Longwear Concealer on this side. So far the only downside I would say is the shade range for the LA Pro Girl Concealer. It's not as light as my MAC NW15, and that's the lightest shade. So if you're like really fair, I don't know, but it just depends. So that's pretty much the only downside I have to say like right now, but I'm about to set it and we'll see. It's not like really creasing up more than the other or anything like that, but I'm setting it with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder and using the same Morphe blender sponge. Yeah, I'm not gonna like overly bake or anything. So okay, so I figured I might as well go ahead and like film this, but I'm setting my face with my MAC mineralized skin finish setting powder. This is in shade medium plus, and I'm just putting this all over my face except for where the powder was, but I'm gonna brush off the extra. Okay, and so of course I'm gonna use my Hoola bronzer on like a little angled brush, and I'm not gonna like really go crazy because I really just want to see how the concealer is gonna sit. Okay, so enough bronzing. I bronze a lot. I love bronzer and blush. I have a problem. I know. Okay, blush. So I don't know what blush I want to do. Feeling kind of pinky. Let's do, let me do some NARS Orgasm instead of my MAC Peachy Keen. I'm feeling some pinks. I don't know, maybe it's just my lips. I'm just loving pink right now. I know, I'm still applying blush. I love blush. Who doesn't? I mean, oh my gosh. I just love blush so much. And this MAC blush brush really just doesn't pick up so much product that you're just like, oh my gosh, like trying to buff it out because it's just so much. But it's so soft and it just like lets you put it on. Alright. None of that stuff was like really that important, but to me it was. It's really about the concealer. So, I mean, look at that. I'm telling you. $4. I'm sorry, MAC. I'm so sorry. I love my MAC. I do. I really do. But you just can't beat it, especially if like you're not trying to, like you're just starting like your makeup kit or your makeup collection. I mean, like, that was me. I mean, like trying to find like the best, like affordable, you know, comparison to something. And hey. Now, is my MAC Pro Longwear still going to stay in my kit for my brides? Absolutely. Like, I have to make sure your makeup's staying like 12 hours. Not saying this isn't going to work, but my bride's getting this. But this is not bad at all. I mean, I don't know if you can see. I know I'm like really close, but this side is the LA Girl MAC. LA Girl. LA Girl MAC. Is it a dupe to you? What do you think? I think it is. Let me know what you think. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.